Hello and welcome to How to Helen. One of the common issues with Infinitis is the sunroof drain gets clogged up, allowing water to go inside the cabin. So for this 2008 Infiniti EX35, we're gonna try to modify it so that this doesn't happen to this vehicle by modifying the sunroof end drains. These sunroof end drains are located on the firewall inside the engine bay. Now for reference, here's a close-up of the end of the sunroof drain. This is located at both ends of the firewall, one for each sunroof drain. Now if you look at the center, there's this protective shield that prevents ants or small insects from entering the sunroof drain. Now the problem with this is when water tries to drain in and it has some dirt or small debris in it, it gets clogged up in this area. So what we're gonna do is clip out the legs of this protective shield and take out the protective shield completely. Hopefully by removing the protective shield on the sunroof drain end, dirt and debris that is going along with the water passing through will not get clogged in this area. Let's start by removing the plastic cladding on the driver's side. For the cover, there's two tabs that we need to push in to remove it. So push it in and take out the cover. Now here's one clip on the outer portion of the plastic cladding. So let's use our plastic retainer clips remover to take it out. Now there's 3 more retainer clips inside that I see. There's one more on this side that we need to take out. Alright, with those clips removed, we can take out this whole cladding. From here, I'm going to use a flashlight to shine on the firewall so you can see the end of the sunroof drain. Let me move the camera so you can see it. It's all the way in there. Okay, as you can see, that's the sunroof drain end on the driver's side. It's buried really inside the firewall, so I'm gonna try to reach it and see if I can record it when I clip it. If not, my apologies. It's really hard to reach and record at the same time, so please bear with me. I'll try my best. Right, I'm not really gonna be able to reach it with the camera in the way. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna record after I clip it out. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to record removing the sunroof drain end, but the end result is the same. I was able to take it out, so it's just a matter of being patient. Let's do the same process on the passenger side. Let's start with a retainer clip on the outside of the cladding. Then remove the cover by pressing down on the retainer clips. Now for this one, unfortunately for me, it's missing all the retainer clips. So we're just gonna pull it out and we should have access to the firewall. There it is. And as you can see, it's gunked up. It's a good thing we're doing this today. Alright, so let me just put the camera in a good position. Yeah. And here's the protective shield of the sunroof drain end. Wasn't that hard to remove? After removing the drain hose end, we saw that there's a lot of dirt buildup around the drain hose end area. So to take it a step further, I'm going to use a line from a weed whacker to snake through the sunroof area so that we can push any more remaining dirt and debris inside the drain hose line. And if I can fit the straw of a compressed air on the sunroof area, we're going to try to push out any more what's left in there. Now I mentioned the sunroof area space because this is the sunroof area and that is the drain hole for the sunroof. And it is buried all the way in there that it would be hard for me to film over here while snaking in the line of the weed whacker. So I'm just gonna position the camera by the drain end and hopefully we can capture the dirt and debris coming out of the drain hose. Alright, so feeding the line of the weed whacker and the sunroof drain hose. Okay. I seem to be hitting a snag somewhere. I don't know if this is the end of the line or something else. But it doesn't go further than this. Not gonna try to force it, but we'll check. This is how far it went in. Then that's much line that went through. So looks like it's all the way to the end of the sunroof drain. Alright. So we're gonna try to compress air this time. Make sure you hold on to the straw of your compressed hose so it doesn't accidentally go in. And that is how to modify the sunroof drain ends for this 2008 Infiniti EX35. Hopefully that would prevent water from entering inside the cabin. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.